Just above Sarajevo lies Igman, a mountain of clean air, Olympic history, and untouched nature. Recognized as a natural health resort, Igman offers something rare in Europe: vast living space within reach of a capital city. Now, Igman is ready to become Bosnia's open-air museum, a landscape where art and nature meet. Through an artist in residence program, creators from across Europe will shape works that breathe with the mountain. Light, sound, and structure that reveal, not disturb. The Bosnian Open-Air Museum, where nature meets art.